Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chemistry Step by Step with Kanika. So our today's topic of discussion is displacement reaction, that is the third category of types of reaction. So what is the meaning of displacement reaction? These are the reaction in which a highly reactive metal displaces the weak reactive metal from its compound or from its solution. You can clearly see that here are some metals placed in some order, and this order is known as reactivity series. The series in which highly reactive metals are placed at the top and lower reactive metals are placed at the bottom of the series, and it indicates that a metal which is at the top has potential to displace the weak metal from its solution. We can understand it by an example. Let me take a metal, that is iron. You can see I am going to compare this iron metal with this copper. Now I am taking a solution of copper, that is copper sulfate. Okay. Now from reactivity series, this is clear because iron lies at the top of the series, so it indicates that it is highly reactive metal. Then copper. So what will it do? It will displace the metal copper from its solution, and this solution is generally aqueous solution. Aqueous solutions are those solutions which are made in the water, in which water is a solvent. Now iron obviously in the solid state. What will happen here? As we know that iron is more reactive than copper from reactivity series. So what will it do? It will displace copper from its solution, and what will it form? It will form a salt with sulfate and like this, and displace copper, and it will form FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate, and displace copper, and copper will deposit in the test tube as a metal. So this is about displacement reaction. In a similar way, we can also do one more thing. Let us take an example of zinc now. I am taking here example of zinc, and now I am going to react it with sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, dilute H2SO4. Again from series it is clear that zinc is more reactive than hydrogen itself. So again what it will do? It will displace hydrogen from H2SO4, and what it will form? Again it will form zinc sulfate, and it will liberate hydrogen. And hydrogen, being a gas, can be detected by a pop sound. Now this is about displacement reaction. There is one question also. If I write copper and iron sulfate, obviously in aqueous form, will this reaction occurs? This is question for you. Will this reaction occurs? So the answer is no. This reaction will not take place. So you will write here no reaction. And what is the reason behind this? Because displacement reaction says that a highly reactive metal displaces the weak reactive metal from its compound, but not a weak metal displaces the strong metal from its compound. So here this reaction will not take place because copper is a weak metal, and here iron is a strong metal. So strong can displace the weak, but weak metal cannot displace the strong metal. Thank you.